Hello everyone and welcome to this new neoswing tutorial. In the last few tutorials, I showed you some pretty complex arm moves that you can add to your footwork, and they do look cool, but you don't always need to be fancy to look cool. So instead, today I decided to show you what I call some natural arm moves. Basically, for each of the most popular neoswing steps, I'm gonna show you what you can do with your arms to simply follow the movement of your legs in a very easy and natural way. So this video is meant for not quite beginners, but for people who already have some confidence with their footwork and they want to try and add something else. Now, I'm not gonna explain every single one of these arm moves in detail because they are so simple that they don't require much explanation. But as always, if you have any questions, you can write down in the comment section. Starting with the V step, well, you can simply lift your left arm when you go left and your right arm when you go right, so it looks like this. Same goes for the V jump. So when you jump right, you lift your right arm, and when you jump left, you lift your left arm. So it looks like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. As for the SpongeBob, well, you have probably seen it a million times, but you can do this. Now for the butterfly shuffle, I like to do this very gentle movement, just with your wrist. So, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. So it looks like this. With the T step, you can simply do this, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So it looks 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And then you can change, and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. For this kind of one-leg shuffle, you can go for something like this. So, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the running man, it's very basic. You can do this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. With the Charleston, we have again a very gentle movement, which is this one. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Just make sure you start with your left arm if you put your right foot in front. So it looks like this. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. As for the moving Charleston, well, you just swing your arms like this. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Again, make sure if you start with your right foot to start like this. And here is how it looks. And I'm pretty sure we covered most of them, so that's it for today. I know it wasn't an exciting episode, but I have something very interesting to show you in my next tutorial, which will be about transitions between steps. So make sure you don't miss it, and see you in my next video.